How's everybody doing today? Today is the day. Today. I'm really excited. All right. Many of you have been watching. Many of you have not been watching. That's okay. Glad you're here. Glad you found me. This is my carrot experiment. This is a piece of 3-inch, might be 4-inch, stainless steel gas vent tubing, and have a carrot growing on the inside of this. I planted one. I might have planted two just to be on the safe side, but I'm going to try and get this carrot out of here. So we're going to give this a go. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get it out of here, but I'll figure something out. Maybe put it in this bucket here, and I might have to go outside and see what we got down here. We have a whole mat. Look at that. A mat full of roots down here. So I might just see if I can shake it out of here. It's going. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's kind of disappointing. I'm a little disappointed. Look at it. I got two. So here's the one, small one on the side. Wasn't even counting on that one. And then the big one that I thought would go 3 feet. Didn't really go 3 feet. I mean, it is a big carrot, but kind of disappointed. I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed. Maybe if I had a different seed. Maybe I need a different seed. So, win some, you lose some. But we'll try again next year. I mean, it's a good experiment. Let's see if I can get this stuff out of here. I mean, I had roots all the way to the bottom. It just didn't produce carrot material to the bottom. So, clean as a whistle. Came out nice. So there you go. A lot of root material. White fibrous root material, but no carrot material other than the two. These were transplanted when they were just, tiny little nothings. I pricked them out after they germinated, and I must have put a couple in there just to be safe, but this one split, you can see that, and this one just kind of stopped. It didn't go down any further. So we'll try again next year. These ones that I just planted not too long ago, they're all right, little stubbies, good for grub eating. So yeah, there you go. All right, guys, have a good day.